In today's video, we're going to cover VFAT. I've done quite a bit of videos on VFAT, but it's been a while since I've done kind of an upgrade on update on my Aerodrome strategy. Please stick around to the end of this video. We are giving away some pretty cool free courses and I think some tools that are really going to help you become an even better yield farmer. See how much that just changed? Volatility today is crazy. The markets are just kind of wilding out. There's a lot of uncertainty in the air. We as yield farmers love that. But you can see this like flip-flopping like crazy. I'd say on average, I'm doing around 120%. So probably more like 60K per year in this on average. But the last couple days, it's been like 120 grand a year. I looked once and it was at 180. And I looked now and it's 78, 80. I'm sure this will change any second. Remember, we as yield farmers love volatility. We like a lot of volume pumping through the markets. I mean, if I go over to, let's just go CoinGecko, you can see the 24-hour volume on some of these assets. And there's a lot of money flowing right now, a lot of volume flowing through the markets. Now, of course, we as liquidity providers love that because these APRs shoot up. But it's not lasting. And if we set proper ranges and we just stay in range through all the volatility while everyone else is trying to trade this stuff and make a little profit, we're making money per day. And yes, during volatile times, doing 1% per day is not like far-fetched to do. But to do that every day, all the time, of course, that's a little far-fetched. Even beefy, the volumes are up quite a bit. I mean, about $144 per day over here. Over on VFAT, I pretty much average probably around $150 to $200 per day because my positions are a little tighter. Now let's talk strategy. I have a very simple strategy. This $4,369 was brought in probably about a month ago from VFAT. I have an auto harvest feature set up, which I'm going to show you. And then I know I'm kind of not taking my own advice here, but I've been super busy this last 3 weeks. This 4,620 USDC has come in directly from VFAT. Again, over the last probably about 3 weeks, I've just been stacking it. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to click on anything. It takes my aero rewards and it converts it into stablecoin, but you can do anything you want with it. I'm going to show you how to do that now. Now, of course, I can click on a position here. I can change my range. I can increase my position. I can rebalance. I can snuggle rebalance. I'm going to leave some videos on your screen here to link out to some of those videos. Look again how much that changed. Again, this is inflated and unrealistic and not sustainable. But hey, I'll take it. While the market's freaking out, I'll take it. I can withdraw my position into any asset I want. I can compound my position and I can set up an auto compound feature. I personally don't do that. I like taking profit. I like stacking those stables. Looks like I'll have almost $10,000 of profit from VFAT once I take the earnings I earned over the last 3 weeks and move them into this dollar USDC, which again, 23% for stablecoin, I'm happy with. And then I can redeploy it when I want it. I really want to show you this feature on VFAT. I can go to this harvest and I can set up auto harvest and I can set it up however I want it. I could have it take profit for me in ETH. I could keep it in Aero if I'm long-term holding Aero and maybe lending it out on something like XtraFi, which again, I lend a lot of my assets on XtraFi. And let me know if you have any follow-up questions. I'm going to make sure I check the comments on this video and I can provide content or create things for you if you have questions. But the point is, right now I have a USDC set up and it automatically takes profits from my positions, converts to stablecoin because again, remember Aerodrome pays out in Aero emissions, converts it to stablecoin. I go put it up. Some of it I lend, some of it I stack in my Tangent wallet, and some of it I'm putting in this dollar USDC position at 23%, pretty sweet. And when the market's correct, I get to redeploy, which I'm kind of getting excited to see what the markets do here. But if there's a massive pullback, I will probably aggressively deploy capital into a lot of different positions for cash flow, but also into my bull run bag as I buy kind of assets at distressed prices, so to speak. And again, just to bring this back, we like to see some volatility and kind of some volume flowing through the markets. Our APRs and APYs go up. You can see on Turbos Finance, I was looking at this one here. I still have a bunch of SUI here, which this was all created for free through a liquidity pool, which is super awesome. So this is infinite returns. It keeps rising in value as well because I'm making some yield on it. And the value of this, it keeps going up. But you can see like 504% right now because the volume is just, look at how much volume compared to liquidity on this. $16 million on $4 million of liquidity. That's going to pay out a lot. Over on Orca, we're seeing the same thing for Sol USDC. JLP USDC looks good. JLP Sol looks good. And clicking on over here, again, Sol USDC at 0.5% per day, 186% per year. I like it a lot. Meme coins are popping off, especially on Solana right now. JLP Sol looks really good. Like, where can you earn these 14% on a stablecoin pair, which isn't touching VFATs over here with dollar USDC? I am in traditional investments that make me 6 to 8% per year, and that's considered good. If you're a serious investor, even this should excite the crap out of you. This is crazy, and I love it, and I'm here for it. So again, we kind of hit two birds with one stone. We kind of talked about VFAT. Again, I get into position, I auto harvest into stablecoin, I put those stablecoins on the sideline, and then I reinvest that stablecoin when the time is right, and I am a patient man. I am super patient. I don't need to redeploy it. I'm not stressed that I'm sitting on stablecoin or cash. I'm very patient. I look for really good entry opportunities that I almost cannot lose on, and then I strike. Like I get aggressive. And then we also talked about volume, increase in volume, obviously volatility, obviously news in the market is good for us. I don't care if the price is going down or up. I optimize for cash flow, and then I take that cash flow and I invest into my bull run, into my wealth building bags. Really hope that helps. If that lands, let me know in the comments below. Like this video, share it with someone you know that this can serve. And we are releasing a suite of free courses. You can't see my whiteboard here, but we already have the Financial Freedom Formula course. We used to charge $200 for it. We're giving it away for free. Let me know in the comments if you want it. We have a free DeFi as a business course where we explain all this yield farming, liquidity pool stuff, how to enter, how to exit, how to take profit. We explain all of it. We also have a liquidity pool tools guide where I'm going to share with you all the tools we use for running our DeFi business, give you tutorials. That's going to be 100% free. And then we're also working on a really special training. It's going to be around 40 minutes long, but it's going to take you through our whole process A to Z. Plus, in that training, we're going to be sharing links to a bunch of free stuff, videos to support you. We're on a huge mission to just help as many people get onboarded onto DeFi as we can. And then, of course, those who see value in what we do have the Underdog Investor community, which is by far the best community in DeFi, both by amount of people, the level of investor that's inside, the level of support, and by the sheer fact that pretty much every YouTube channel and everyone else just copies what we're doing, which is totally cool because they're all members with us anyways. But if you want to get to the source of the good stuff, then the UIG is where the action is at. Our instructors and our team and our crew is just top notch, obsessed with this stuff, and we love sharing it. Plus, we like supporting you in it. So that's also available to you. Let me know in the comments if you want all that free stuff. I'll make sure I send you the link. With that said, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.